Right guys, welcome to Build by Manch. I'm going to be building two boxes, so I've cut the pieces already, not to confuse you. This is weird talking to a camera, so bear with me. Please like, share, subscribe to your friends, your dog and your nan. I think part one, probably build the box, and then part two, do some detailed vinyl wrap. Right, what I've done is set the height to 5mm, that's how much I'm putting into the width, and I've set the other bit to 10mm, which is how far in it's going, should leave enough strength in the bottom of the box. So let's go. Right, before I assemble the drawers, I'm sanding it now because I'm going to dry fit it, make sure it does fit, but I don't want to take it apart when it does. So if we're happy, we can glue it up. Now this face, the drawer front, needs to be perfectly smooth for the vinyl to stick. The rest of it will be painted, but it's a lot easier now just to sand all the separate pieces and then put it together afterwards, not have to worry about it. Make sure that is completely flush, because remember that is where your drawer runners will sit. I personally like screws. I will glue this actually, but before I glue it I'm just going to make sure that it's lined up where I wanted it, to save me getting annoyed later on. Now, because we have a pilot, these screws will try to go where the pilot is, so if that's not right, it's going to be a problem. As long as we're happy with that, which I am. Always easier to wipe your glue now than sand it later. You don't have to listen to me, you can just regret it. Right, if you see here, this is flush to the bottom, but this actually sits a bit higher up than the bottom of the drawer, just so I've got clearance and if I want to put in any bracing. So it's about 35mm. I propped that up about 18.9. Do some maths, 27, just to stop it moving around. The drawers actually sit a bit tighter than the width for the face. So I'm going to make sure the gap on the sides is even, line it up.